Hi everyone, this is Debanshi and I create content related to student life and a little bit of entertainment sometimes. So welcome to my channel. I have been creating content on this channel from the past 1 year and there are a few things that I have learned in this journey. I know there must be some of you who would have always wanted to start their own YouTube channel, but thoughts like I don't have a camera, I don't have a mic, I don't look good, I cannot speak confidently, no one is gonna watch me, I don't know how to edit my videos, must have bothered you a lot. Well, let me tell you, I was in this spot exactly a year before. But today, after a year, I have been able to create over 100 videos, which is in itself kind of an achievement for me. I really did not think I can go this far when I started with this channel. Okay, I was super underconfident, but somehow it happened, and I'm still working really hard to do better on this channel. And in this video I'm going to tell you how to get started with YouTube. What are the few things that you need to keep in mind before starting with your channel? Please note, this video is not going to talk about how to grow your channel, how to get subscribers, because I feel I'm myself not in that spot where I can tell you, where I can advise you about these things, because my channel is a very tiny channel. Yeah, I'm just close to 2k subscribers. I had just made 100 videos or so, which is actually a lot. But yeah, my channel has not grown a lot yet. When it will grow in the future, maybe I can make videos on that topics as well, how I reached my first 1k, 500 subscribers, whatever that is. But for now, I'm just gonna tell you a few things which will give you an idea on getting started. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, number one, why did I get started with YouTube? Please don't judge me, I'm gonna share something very personal right now. When I was a little girl, I wanted to become an actress. Yeah, I mean, I was so passionate about acting that me and my elder sister, we used to maintain a diary where we used to write all our scripts and plots and characters, and we used to enact. Okay, but when I grew up, I understood that that's not really my thing. I can never become an actress. But somewhere in the back of my mind, I always wanted to face the camera. I wanted to speak in front of the camera. That is kind of a weakness. That was kind of a thing, which when I used to see other YouTubers, I used to imagine myself in their position, and I used to think, if I was in their position, what would I be saying? What would I be creating? So it was always there somewhere in my heart, but I never really thought that I'm going to really take action on that thought and do something about it. But 2020, during the COVID times, I finally took the plunge and created my first YouTube video, which I will link it in the description. You can go and see. I knew nothing. I had no content plan when I started with this channel. I just had a phone and I just had an internet connection. That's it. I did not know about camera angle. If you go and watch my first video on this channel, you will see half of the screen is covered by a curtain. That's how bad I was with framing. Still, I'm not very good at framing. But I was just confident about one thing, that whatever I'm going to create, I feel somewhere or the other, I'll be able to touch the lives of a few at least. That is something that I was confident about. I am not I mean, I don't know how to put this. I'm not a very good looking person. Okay, it didn't came out really well. No, that's not what I want to say. I mean, there are people who believe that to be successful on YouTube, you have to be very pretty, you have to be good looking, then only people will watch your videos. Look at me, I'm pretty average, and still I have been able to gather some 2,000 people on my channel. Not a big number, but still a number, right? Still a number to begin. Okay, and this, if I keep working hard, if I keep getting better, this number will also increase in the future. That is something that is sure. So, and to start with the YouTube channel, there are 3 things that you need. Just 3 things. You need an internet connection, you need a phone, you need courage. Yeah, these are the only 3 things that you need to get started. I'm not talking about growing. See, mostly we don't have a content plan in our mind. There are people who know well in advance that they buy all the equipments, they have all the sources and means, they plan their content well in advance, they have a production team kind of, like there is a video editor, there's a cameraman, there is a script writer, and people who begin at a higher level. Okay, I'm talking about people who are beginning or who are going to begin from scratch like I did. I'm going to tell you my story, a little bit that I have learned in this process. Okay, I did not have a content plan. I started with chit chat videos, as in I just used to pick up a topic which would कुछ ऐसे दिमाग में चल रहा होगा, and I would just write something in my journal about it and create a video on it, because I feel I just wanted to communicate with people. I did not know what is going to work for me, what is not going to work for me. There are a few things that I knew. I knew that I cannot create a fashion or beauty wala channel, which girls usually do, because girls are good at it. I am pathetic at it. I know nothing about makeup. I know nothing about fashion. I am very very zero in that case. So ये पता था कि ये नहीं हो पाएगा. Dance and music, I like dancing. I like singing as well. Terrible singer, but I like it anyway. तो उस पे भी I knew कि नहीं, इस पे भी वीडियो बनाने जितना टैलेंट नहीं है. टैलेंट कुछ भी नहीं था honestly. But हाँ, I just had this thing that लोगों से बातें करने का मन था. I wanted to make use of this internet and reach out to people who don't know me and make a little difference in their life. Although I don't know if I have been able to do that even a little bit, but yeah, there's a long way to go. I have started with this journey. I'm happy about it. I started with those kind of videos. Then I tried vlogging thoda sa. I made a Diwali vlog. It got nice response from the audience. I liked it. I made a vlog on my mama's birthday. Then I got a really amazing idea. I did this competition. Okay, I did this Christmas poem writing competition. A lot of people participated. I sent them some gifts. So that was a nice experiment. Then, since I was preparing for an exam back then, so I started creating. I had seen videos कि लोग ऐसे create करते हैं, day in the life of UPSC aspirant, day in the life of NEET aspirant. So I was a CLAT aspirant myself. I'm a law student now. So I created videos on that. I started creating vlogs. Those vlogs were really liked by people. People liked seeing them. And when you are a new content creator, what you do is एक्सपेरिमेंट करते करते जब आपको लगता है कि कोई एक चीज़ अच्छा काम कर रहा है आपके लिए, यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट मोर ऑफन, राइट? सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई डिड. I started talking on that topic, and I used to do this because of two reasons. Number one, very honestly, because those videos were getting views and attraction. I'll be very honest, that was the major reason. Number two, I was myself involved in those things, so why not help out people and build a community around it? So that is what I thought of doing. I did it. So I was never really giving a lot of time to my YouTube because I was a student. I had studies to manage, and I could not really do this at the stake of that. I mean, that would be a stupidity. I'm still a student. I was a student, did I just say? I'm still a student, and still studies are my priority, and that is why I'm not able to give a lot of time to my channel. But it's okay. It's all right. My point to you is, in the past 1 year, I have been able to gather some 2,000 people on my channel. It's not a big number. People reach 2K in 6 months or 3 months. People reach 1 million in a year. I'm not talking about the number here. I'm talking about having the mindset of getting started with something. If you really want to go ahead and create content, do not stop yourself. Do not bother to think about if you're going to be liked by people or not. I receive dislikes. I receive negative comments. But I receive a lot of love as well. From people who don't know me. From people who have never met me, from people who just appreciate me by what they see on screen, by what they assume me to be, by the kind of person that they think I am just by seeing my work. And trust me, it's a beautiful feeling. I am not making this video to tell you about my YouTube channel. I'm just letting you know that if you want to start with something, do not stop yourself. Do not get bogged down by people. Okay, there are a few things that I would like to tell here. My only concern was, are my parents gonna approve of this? I'm a very lucky child. My parents have always been 200% supportive of everything that I do, unless I'm doing anything wrong, which I don't because I'm a good girl. But yeah, so that was my story. I did not think twice before getting started. I was privileged in that case. I It's been a year, and I have created some 110 videos on this channel, or I think more, without investing a single rupee of mine. If you feel that you need to get a camera, you need to get a tripod, you need to get a mic, you need to have a GoPro, and then only you can start a channel, that is not how it works. Get started, get the channel moving, and then you can invest. Like, I have not invested, it's been more than a year, I have not invested even a single rupee. I do agree, if I guess if I could invest more, maybe this channel would grow because the quality would improve. And if I'll just tell you something very interesting. When I started this channel, I knew nothing about editing, okay? So if you go and see the first few 2 to 3 videos on my channel, you will see that those are videos without any cuts and edits. I just used to switch on the camera, I used to speak, and then I used to switch off and upload it as it is, because कुछ नहीं पता था editing के बारे में. और आज थोड़ा बहुत manage हो जाता है, correct? So it's a journey, it's a beautiful journey, and it can get you a lot of opportunities. Presently, a few nice things have started to happen in my life. I will talk about it. Yeah, I have started earning because of YouTube. Thoda bahut. I don't earn anything from AdSense, but I'll just let you know about it in some separate videos of mine. But when I started with YouTube, I did not even know that you can make money out of YouTube. So I'm just letting you know that good things can happen in life if you take up something different, if you try something nice out of your life. See, this video was not about how to establish a professional YouTube channel, how to grow your channel, how to gain subscribers. No, it was just about getting started. Okay, when you get started, you eventually learn about things. Till now, it's been more than a year, like I said, and I have not invested any money on this channel. Apart from this tripod, which was actually gifted to me, I do agree that if you don't have a tripod, creating content becomes a little difficult. But I feel I had already created some 30 videos without a tripod. I used to do some kind of jugaad. Okay, there are videos on my channel on that. There is a video. If I find the link, I'll just link it down below. You can check it. I have shared the tips and tricks that I used to do when I did not have a tripod. So that is what. Go ahead, live your life nice, and if you're somebody who wants to get started with something new in your life, don't stop yourself. That was my message to you in this video, and I'll be coming back soon with another nice video. Do suggest me some topics if you want to, and I'll create them for you. Thank you. Bye.